Hi, in this video we will talk about that 6 vitamins that protect eyes and repair vision. Our eyes are incredibly precious, serving as windows to the world around us. However, in today's digital age, they face constant strain from screens, pollution, and other environmental factors. Fortunately, certain vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining eye health and even repairing vision. Let's delve into 6 essential vitamins that can safeguard your eyes and promote vision repair. Number 1, Vitamin A. At the heart of vitamin A's prowess lies its ability to bolster night vision, enabling us to navigate dimly lit environments with ease. Rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment in the retina, vitamin A, heightens our sensitivity to low light conditions. The eyes are constantly exposed to environmental stressors, from harsh sunlight to digital screens, making them vulnerable to oxidative damage. Vitamin A acts as a formidable shield, neutralizing free radicals and safeguarding delicate eye tissues from photo damage. Number 2, Vitamin C. Vitamin C. Beyond its renown for bolstering the immune system, vitamin C emerges as a stalwart defender and healer for our precious eyes. Powers of vitamin C in safeguarding ocular wellness and restoring sight to its fullest potential. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, swoops in as a guardian, neutralizing harmful free radicals and fortifying delicate eye tissues. With each dose of vitamin C, we erect a formidable barrier against the ravages of oxidative damage, preserving the clarity of our vision. Vitamin C serves as a catalyst for collagen synthesis, ensuring the resilience and elasticity of ocular tissues. With each infusion of vitamin C, we fortify the scaffolding of our eyes, bolstering their resilience against the passage of time. Number 3, Vitamin E. Vitamin E emerges as a silent guardian and gentle healer. Beyond its renowned role in skin care, vitamin E exerts a profound influence on ocular wellness, shielding delicate eye tissues from harm and orchestrating the symphony of healing within. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, stands as a stalwart defender, intercepting harmful free radicals and preserving the integrity of ocular tissues. With each dose of vitamin E, we fortify the eye's natural defenses, shielding them from the relentless assault of oxidative stressors. Vitamin E plays a crucial role in maintaining eye lubrication and comfort, reducing the symptoms of dryness and irritation. With each application of vitamin E-rich eye drops or incorporation of vitamin E-rich foods, we nourish our eyes with the moisture they need to thrive. Number 4, Vitamin D. Vitamin D is renowned for its role in bone health and immune function. However, its influence extends far beyond these domains, reaching into the intricate landscape of ocular wellness. Vitamin D emerges as a stalwart defender, fortifying the eyes against age-related decline and preserving visual acuity by nourishing ocular tissues and supporting optimal function. Vitamin D offers a shield against the ravages of time. Number 5, Vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a role in regulating blood clotting and maintaining healthy circulation throughout the body, including the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. Blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the eyes, which supports overall eye health. Vitamin K may have a protective effect against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. AMD involves damage to the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision. Number 5. Vitamin C and bioflavonoids. In the intricate mosaic of eye health, few partnerships rival the dynamic synergy of vitamin C and bioflavonoids. These potent allies not only shield our eyes from harm, but also possess the remarkable ability to rejuvenate and repair.